beautiful minds. Today in this video on how to create a YouTube channel for shorts video content using two AI tools. In this video, I will be showing you how to use two AI tools Fliki.ai and ChatGPT to create short videos based on facts. With the help of these tools, you can easily create engaging shorts. Step 1. Creating an account. The first tool we will be using is Fliki.ai. To get started, you need to create an account on Fliki.ai. Simply go to the Fliki.ai website and sign up for a new account. Once you have created an account, you will have access to 3 built-in options, but I am about to showing you only text to video. Step 2. Creating a new file on Fliki.ai. Now that you have created an account on Fliki.ai, it's time to start creating your video. To do this, click on Create New File and give your file a name. You can also select whether you want your video to be audio or video based. Step 3. Using ChatGPT to generate facts. Next, we will be using ChatGPT to generate facts for our video. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can generate text based on your prompts. Simply go to the site and type like this for write 5 facts about Indian Premier League. Step 4. Copy and pasting facts into Fliki.ai. Once ChatGPT has generated the facts for you, simply copy and paste them into Fliki.ai. Before starting that, you have to choose a language style, dialect, gender, voice style. You can also add images or videos to your video to make it more engaging. Step 5. Video settings. Now that you have added all your facts and media to your video, it's time to adjust the video settings. You can choose between square, portrait, or landscape video settings, and adjust the subtitle size to make it more readable. Once you have made all your adjustments, click Save and then export to download your video. And that's it. With the help of these two AI tools, you can easily create short videos based on facts. So, go ahead and create your own short video channel. Thank you for watching.